as far as product spotlights go from HTB Beauty, we are introducing a new brand. It is called Malina. It's a vegan smoothing treatment. So a lot of you have heard whispers and mentions about formaldehyde. And, we'll see in April. The FDA is going to make some kind of a decision what they're going to decide to do. Formaldehyde is going to go away. It's not going to go away. I don't know. But that's really in regards to relaxers. With the rise of keratin smoothing treatments, we have seen that people don't want stick straight hair anymore. So relaxers are still being done, but they're not as popular as they used to be, especially with the popularity of keratin smoothing treatments. Now, with the rise of texture and people embracing their curls and people liking volume and smoothness, excuse me, I said it right, volume and smoothness, but they don't want to lose their curls. They don't want to lose their body wave. They don't want to lose that natural volume that they have. So we're starting to see the direction of keratin smoothing treatments. They're starting to evolve as well too, and they're coming up with different options. And some of those options are promising and delivering the fact that they don't necessarily reduce curls. And that's a great thing. With that said, everybody is always looking at ingredients in products. And, excuse me, getting over a cold and that cough has been kicking my butt. So everybody's been looking at ingredients. And we have to acknowledge the fact that people are self-conscious more than ever about their natural health. What's going into their body, what's going onto their skin, what's going onto their scalp, what's going onto their hair. And that's a great thing. Organic-based products, vegan-based products have been on the rise year over year for the past decade. It's not a trend that's going to come and go. It is a trend that has been consistently going upwards year over year. The industry is going to expand. The beauty industry with organic products is going to expand to over $2 trillion by the end of this first quarter. That is an insane amount of money, okay? And it's just gonna, so by the year's end, I think it's gonna hit 2.5. And I wouldn't be surprised if it hits $3 trillion. Vegan-based products are highly, highly requested and sought out right now. And with Malina, it's a very fascinating technology. It's absolutely fantastic. It's been a joy to play with. So what they've done is they've taken a treatment and they've made it very versatile in a way of, if your goal is to balance the pH of the hair, it can do that. If your goal is to eliminate frizz, it can handle that. If you're trying to reconstruct hair, it'll rebuild hair. If you're trying to reduce some curl, it has the strength to do that as well. If you're trying to save volume, fullness, and layer, and if you're trying to enhance texture and curl, it is also designed to do that. It's two treatments. One is long-term use. It's called one and done. One is short-term use. It's called Boost. Both products do everything that I mentioned. With it being vegan-based, it's actually infused with tourmaline as its driver. It's actually not using a chemical-based driver. So that makes it safe for all types of hair, whether it's delicate, whether it's normal, whether it's strong, the hair's got some strength in it, whether it's straight hair, whether it's wavy hair, whether it's curly hair, the texture of it doesn't matter. The density doesn't matter either, whether you don't have a lot of it, whether you have a normal amount, or my little joke is I always say for people that have a lot of hair, a crap ton of hair, You know, when they was passing hair out at the buffet, you got greedy and you went multiple times. You have more hair than should be allowed. So, I mean, that's that versatility in that product. If you're trying to reduce curl, it can reduce up to three levels of curl. If you're trying to enhance curl, it most beautifully does that. My wife, Carmelina, has kinky, tight, curly hair. If it was any tighter, it would be like like a fro. Okay, so she's very Sicilian. If you can picture that Sicilian Italian type of curly, tight curly hair, that's what she has. And she was greedy. She has hair for 3 people. It is back-breaking work to blow that hair out. So being able to have this option now to do her hair where I don't have to blow it out, I don't have to smooth it out, I can do a treatment, it'll actually enhance her curl. And for somebody like her who loves wearing her hair curly 99% of the time, I only blow dry her hair maybe 3 times a year, you know, twice a year, you know, on our anniversary and for Thanksgiving, sometimes for Christmas. That's it. So that's a treat for her those couple of times. But she loves wearing her hair curly. People compliment her on her curls all the time. And thanks God she loves it, because like I said, it's backbreaking work to blow it out. Having a treatment to be able to maintain that curl and have the ability to fully customize the end result is a great addition to the brand. So I'm very, very excited to be able to have that addition and have that option.